Good morning to all my students. Myself Samiuddin Ansari. Take out your new Radiant Readers Class 5th book. Today I will start a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is The Shoemaker and the Elves. So in a small village there once lived a shoemaker and his wife. Shoemaker was honest and hardworking, but he did not earn much money. In fact, he was so poor that he could not buy enough leather to make many shoes. So in a village there lived a shoemaker who is called shoemaker, who is making shoes, and he was living with his wives. The shoemaker was very much honest person and he was very hardworking also, so he was not able to earn so much money. So he was so poor that he was not able to buy so much enough leather so that he could make many shoes. He was not have so much leather so that he could make so many shoes. One evening he found that he had only one piece of leather left in his shop. With it he could just make one pair. He said to his wife, "I shall make a pair of shoes out of this piece of leather tomorrow morning. Only one pair. What shall we do after that?" asked his wife anxiously. Anxiously, "Let us worry. Let us not worry, my dear," said the shoemaker. "Something will turn up." So one evening when he found that he was having only one pair of leather which was left in his shop, and with that he could make only one pair of shoes. So he said to his wife, "I shall make one pair of shoes with this one pair of leather tomorrow morning." He was saying only one pair. So his wife said, "Only one pair? Then what shall we do after that when it will finish?" His wife asked anxiously. Anxiously means he was very uneasy and worried. Okay, she was very worried. So the shoemaker said to his wife, "Don't worry, my dear, something will turn up." The next morning the shoemaker went into his shop to begin his work, but he did not find his last piece of leather. Instead, to his great surprise, he saw a pair of fine leather shoes, beautifully made and shining. So the next morning the shoemaker went to his shop to start his work, but he was not able to find the leather piece. Okay, so he was instead of in surprise, he got a very good pair of fine leather shoes. Okay, and it was very much beautiful, it was made, and it was very shining. So he quickly called to his wife, who hurried in and exclaimed, what beautiful shoes! From where did you get them?" "I don't know," said her husband. So he called his wife immediately. Okay, was in a very hurry, came and exclaimed. Exclaim means to express with strong emotion. And his wife said, "What a beautiful shoes! From where did you got them?" So his husband said, "I don't know." Just then a customer walked in, and seeing the shoes, he tried them on. They fitted him perfectly, so he brought them immediately. Shoemaker was very pleased. He could not get some more leathers, and he bought enough. He could now get some more leather, and he bought enough to make 2 pair of shoes. "Tomorrow I shall make 2 pair of shoes," he said as he went to bed. So just then a customer came, and seeing the shoes, he tried the shoes, and it got fit to him perfectly. So he bought that immediately, and the shoemaker was very much happy. So he got a new. So he get more leather from that money which the customer has paid for the shoes, and he bought more leather to make, and he said that I will bought more leather, and tomorrow I will make 2 pair of shoes. He said, "Tomorrow I will make 2 pair of shoes." and he went to bed. What a beautiful surprise there was for him when he woke up the next morning. 2 pairs of shoes were ready right before his eyes, and he had not even touched his tools. So in the next morning, when he woke up in the morning, in surprise, it was a very surprise. In surprise way, he find a 2 pair of shoes, which was already ready, and it was right before his eyes. And as he has not touched his tool also to make the shoes, and it was already ready, 2 pair of shoes. So that's all. So your homework will be, you will do this exercise in your book, this and this. Okay, that's all.